Hey everyone, welcome back to Deputy Master Science. I'm Dr. Susmita, a postdoctoral researcher and freelance writer. Today we are going to discuss about various career opportunities in political science. In the first video of career opportunities, we discussed about what is political science, its sister disciplines, why there is a need to study this subject, career versus scholarly engagement, and so on. And in today's video, we will discuss about main courses of actions after getting a bachelor's degree in political science and as a student of this subject, what valuable knowledge, skills, and experiences one gains which enhance his or her career prospects both in public and private sectors. So let's start. After getting a bachelor's degree in political science, students can decide to pursue three main courses of actions. First, they can continue their studies in political science or any of its sister disciplines. Secondly, they can switch to a professional degree. And finally, they can directly enter into the job market. We will discuss all these three options one by one. First, continuing education in political science or any of its sister disciplines. While at the graduation level, it is very difficult to get any single topic in great depth. Those who are interested to pursue their career in political science, they can do so through a master's degree. As one takes up higher studies, one gets to understand a wider perspective both on the theoretical and applied area. A graduate degree in political science also serves as a gateway to other sister disciplines of political science and international relations. One can develop further expertise and add to his job prospects by pursuing a PhD. During the PhD program, students take specialized coursework, complete a thesis writing, followed by an interview to defend the research findings. These options all promise rigorous study and increased specialization. Students who are following this path should have a good idea where this education can take them before deciding to apply for these courses. Now, the second option, that is switch to a professional degree. Students may increase their marketability for jobs by combining their graduation with a professional degree program. For example, those who are interested in legal field, they can combine their graduation in political science with a LLB degree. Those who are interested in marketing, they can join MBA. Those who are interested in journalism, they can join masters in journalism and mass communication. Likewise, those who are interested in social work, they can join masters in social work. Even if you are interested in teaching, then you can join B.Ed after your graduation in political science. Thus, a graduate degree in political science provides you with the basics which are useful for a variety of professional degrees, including law, journalism, marketing, teaching, etc. If you are interested to know more about how to pursue these subjects and available career options, then write to me in the comment section and we will have separate videos on them. Third point is entering into the job market. Most students think that studying politics is only about to preparing them to get involved in politics. But that does not mean that they should not consider this career option if that is their passion. Law, journalism, civil services, teaching, non-governmental organizations are some of the fields where students can directly enter right after their graduation in political science. It is very important to mention here that those who study political science get the type of knowledge and training that prepares them for numerous job opportunities. For example, During a political science program, students gain valuable knowledge, high demand, foundational but marketable skills, and practical experiences, which helps them to shape their future prospects both in public and private sectors. In the next video, we will discuss about above these areas and how to leverage those knowledge, skills, and experiences to find a rewarding and fulfilling career option. If you are new to this channel, then please do consider for subscribing and share it among your friends. Thank you.